Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi router AX3600 device, and now I can show you how to improve your signal strength on this device. To improve signal strength on this device, you need to open the settings, then scroll down, find here signal strength. So click on it, and if you have set it up in low mode, you need to improve it to the standard or to high. So choose high for the 2.4 network and set it to the 5 GHz network too. Click save, OK, and just wait a while. After a while, reload this web page, and great, that's it. As you can see, we have changed the strength of our Wi-Fi network. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.